As the chairperson of the National Council for Teacher Education, Professor Yogesh Singh has left an indelible mark on the landscape of education, touching the lives of countless individuals through his dedication, wisdom, and vision. Throughout his tenure at the helm of the NCTE, Professor Singh has demonstrated unwavering commitment to the enhancement of teacher education standards, fostering innovation, and promoting excellence in pedagogy. Professor Yogesh Singh is currently serving as the 23rd Vice Chancellor of Delhi University. He earned his PhD in Computer Engineering and MTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering from the National Institute of Technology, Kurukshetra, Haryana. He is the former Vice Chancellor of Delhi Technological University. Prior to joining DTU in 2015, he served as the Director of Netaji Subhash Institute of Technology, now known as Netaji Subhash University of Technology, from 2014 to 2017. He served as the Vice Chancellor of the Maharaja Sayaji Rao University of Baroda from 2011 to 2014. From 2001 to 2006, he served as the Dean of Information Technology at Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University. He was Chairman, Central Regional Committee, All India Council for Technical Education at Bhopal from 2011 to 2014. He served as Chairperson NCTE from 2nd March 2023 to 13th May 2024, and his tenure has been nothing short of exemplary, characterized by a steadfast commitment to excellence, innovation, and inclusivity in the realm of teacher education. Professor Singh's tenure has been marked by a relentless pursuit of excellence, as evidenced by the rigorous revamping of curricula and norms and standards of all teacher education programs. Throughout his tenure, Professor Singh has been a beacon of inspiration and guidance to countless educators, policymakers, and stakeholders in the field of education. His leadership has not only shaped the policies and practices of the NCTE, but has also left an indelible mark on the hearts and minds of those who've had the privilege of working alongside him. NCTE has achieved unparalleled heights under his sterling leadership.